Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do your gel nails at home. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my nails like this, then keep on watching. And leave a like or subscribe if you want to see more content. So I've put everything on the screen that you'll need to do your gel polish. The nail cleanser and nail dehydrator is optional, but I use them as they help my polish last much longer. And you might not need isopropyl alcohol depending on whether your top coat is no wipe or not. You'll also need a curing lamp. The one I have is an LED lamp and has 4 settings depending on the polish. For this tutorial, I'll just be using 3 of them. Setting 1 is to cure base polish. Setting 2S is to cure normal gel polish. And setting 3 is to cure top coat. So get your nails into the shape you want. Make sure you actually take your time here, because if even one bit looks out of shape or uneven, it can really make your manicure look bad. I'm going for a circular shape. Next, we're going to use cuticle remover. The cuticle is not the oval under your nail, it's the thin layer of skin right at the end of your nail. So put that on, wait for the time on the bottle, and use your cuticle pusher to get the initial gunk off. Then get your cuticle nippers and clip any parts that look messy. Make sure you're careful, because you can cut yourself with these. Go in one more time with the cuticle pusher just to make sure it's all gone, and now your nails look clean. So I forgot to film myself buffing my nails, but go ahead and buff them and then wash your hands and dry them off. Now I'm going to use the cleanser with my lint-free pad to make sure that there isn't any residue left behind, and they're primed for painting. Get your base coat ready and put it to the side. Now grab your nail dehydrator to remove any remaining oils on the nail. I recommend you apply it on one finger, do the base polish on that nail, and then move on to the second nail, and so on. Now with my painting, I'm doing slow strokes. Initially not going to the bottom of my nail, but I'm slowly working down to it. And I'm also removing extra nail polish in the bottle so that I don't overload my nail. Quickly clean up the sides and then do the same process again to all of them. Now cure your nails with setting 1. We're going to move on to the fun part now, the actual coloured nail polish. Again, do slow strokes and take your time, making sure it's not a thick layer. You're always going to want to do at least 2 layers, sometimes even 3 depending on the polish, so don't worry if it looks a bit streaky or translucent on the first application. Make sure to clean the edges again and do the same process on every other finger. and cure on setting 2S. And repeat that process one more time with the coloured gel polish. Finally, get your top coat and do the same painting method as before. I usually find top coats are very liquidy, so be careful not to oversaturate your nail. Cure it on setting 3. Now, if your polish isn't no wipe, then put some isopropyl alcohol on your lint-free pad and rub it over your nails at the end to remove the sticky residue. And there you go, you have the perfect manicure at home. If you like this content guys, please leave a like and subscribe and let me know if you found this tutorial helpful.